Hi and welcome to the Tech from Today&Past channel. In this video I'm going to present you a classic Sanyo ringtone that is called Kung Fu, and I was able to digitalize it, make it more modern, and added high fidelity sound effects. And I'm going to show you a clip of one of my flip phones, Sanyo flip phones, playing the ringtone right here. As you can see in there were some sound effects like a gong sound thing, like that thing at the beginning. Then also the huh, yeah sounds. And at the end, I think is another thing like a bell, something banging, tang, tang, tang. Well, I found a converted MIDI profile of this ringtone, but then I discovered that it didn't have any sound effects. So here I'm going to show you a MIDI to MP3 converted file, but without the sound effects. Now, what I did is I searched through the internet and tried to find the best sound effects as I could. I haven't been able to put all the effects as the original ringtone does, but at least I got the huh, yeah, and some whoosh whoosh sounds applied to this ringtone, and now here's the final product. Wow, I'm impressed with the results, even though not all sound effects like the original file does. I'm happy enough with what I got. I may try to make a Google Drive file for this MIDI converted to MP3 files that I just made, because I found an app and using my screen recorder on my Samsung Galaxy phone and other programs to create the file. It's been like amazing. I was able to get great results. So thank you guys so much for watching and listening. I hope you like it. Leave it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, and also to all the other channels that are linked in this main page. God bless you guys.